A large tower deal in the telecom space is likely to be announced this week. This is something that we've been waiting for. CNBC TV18 learns that after years of deliberation, Anil Ambani's Reliance Communications is close to selling its tower business to Brookfield. Nisha joins us now with the exclusive details. Nisha, we've been waiting for this to fructify for a long time now. Is it finally happening?
So it's been many years, and I think the lenders along with the stock markets both would be really euphoric about this deal finally getting signed. It's October in this particular year when the non-binding term sheet was signed between Reliance Communications as well as Brookfield to on the tower sale deal. And now I do gather from sources with direct knowledge of the development that it could be announced in this week itself. It's just a matter of 1 or 2 days is what the sources have been telling us. But of course, a very important point to note here is the valuations and what it really entails. The contours of the deal that I get from some of the sources who are directly involved in these developments do suggest that 11,000 crore rupees could be the upfront payment for 100% sale of the tower business of Reliance Communications to Brookfield. Remember, this was not clarified earlier when the non-binding term sheet was signed between the two companies. Also, I gather that though the company has been saying that 20,000 crore rupees is the enterprise valuation for this particular deal, the rest of the 9,000 crore rupees could be performance linked. And that is an important thing to note. Over the next 3 to 5 years, it could or could not fructify depending on the performance of the tower assets that would be bought over by Brookfield once this agreement is signed. Now, remember, in October 2016, Reliance Communications and Brookfield had signed the non-binding term sheet, and Reliance Communications had also stated that it will use the proceeds to reduce debt. And I would like to also draw your attention to the quote that Reliance Communications gave at that point to say that it will receive upfront cash payment of 11,000 crore rupees and enjoy 49% future economic upside from the business based on certain conditions. And this is exactly what we gather, that the rest of the amount of the 20,000 crore rupees enterprise valuation that they're talking about could be performance linked. It's only 11,000 crore rupees that could be coming in for 100%.
Okay, Nisha, thanks very much for joining us.